guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, this is one of my favorite wigs because number one, it is a bob, so meaning it is very easy to handle. It is nice and silky, as you all can see, and of course this wig literally came like this. And when I say came like this, I mean the lace was cut. This wig was pre-styled as well. Literally, I did not have to do anything to this wig. The only thing that I did was just take it out of the box and put it on my head. I am really excited to be showing you guys this PartingMax wig. It is nice, guys. Look at the parting space. It is really enough for you to be able to do anything with this wig, any kind of hairstyle with this wig. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, do check the description box down below. I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 23, and you're going to get yourself some coins off. I am really in love with this wig. It is nice and silky. Look at that. Literally, when I talk, it moves. When I move my head, this wig moves. It is absolutely gorgeous. And another thing that I also want to mention before we get into today's video is that if you are a lover of frontals but you do not really want to glue your wig, this is your best friend. This should be your best friend because the parting space is absolutely wide. Look at that. Look at that. This is a 7x6 lace closure wig, so it is absolutely enough. Okay, I'm really impressed with this wig. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, I want to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase here from Luvme Hair Company. This is how their box is looking, and let me show you guys everything that is inside. Okay, this is nicely packaged. So I'm just gonna take the star of the show, put it right here a bit. Look at that already. Look at that. Okay, this is stunning, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys what is inside. You're gonna get a nice note from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair Company. It says, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love." They were kind enough to send me this 2-in-1 edge brush and edge comb, a storage bag for your wig cap, that scarf, and a nicely packed bonnet from Luvme Hair Company. So I know that for some of you guys it is so difficult to cut the lace. So Luvme Hair said, you know what? There's an option on the website for you to choose whether you want the lace to be cut for you or the wig to come with the lace. And let me tell you something. This time my wig does not have lace. So look at this straight out of the box. Okay. I've been wanting a bob, so I am going crazy right now. Like, I wish I could scream because this is exactly what I wanted. Straight out of the box, this wig is not only pre-styled, it is also pre-cut. Look at that. The lace is nicely cut. And I'm also really obsessed with these ear tabs. They are nice and soft, so they're not gonna hurt your ear. So the wig is nice and silky. It is absolutely gorgeous. The parting space is really out of this world. Look at that. This wig is so convenient if you really love frontals but you really don't have time to be gluing down your wig. Like, let me tell you something. Look at this. Look at the parting space, guys. It is absolutely going to give you the effect of a frontal but with no hassle at all. Like, everybody wants that. Really, we don't have time to be gluing our wigs. So another thing that I really love about this wig is this non-slip design. Literally, your wig is not going anywhere, guys, and it also has a band to secure it as well. Just like that, ne? Just like that. Oh my goodness. What did I tell you? Pre-styled, pre-cut, got it pre-prepared for you. Lovely hair. Guys, I'm loving it. I'm happy. Oh my goodness. That's it. That's all I had to do, guys. That's all I had to do. Straight from the box to my head to the wedding. Straight from the box to my head to the date. Period. You don't have to do much. Wow. This is the perfect length. This is 12 inches and it is glueless. Do I even have to show you that this is glueless? I mean, I think y'all can see that this wig is literally... I am so impressed. And they are parting space as well. Look at the PartingMax situation that is going on here. This is enough space to do literally any hairstyle that you would want to do with this wig. This is absolutely stunning. I am so happy. Wow. Guys, let me show you that you can actually part it literally anywhere. Can you also see how silky this wig is? It is super silky. Sure, this is nice and silky. Yo. And the fact that, guys, I'm so happy. I am really happy. Please do check the description box. I'm even whispering because I am shocked at the way this wig looks. It is literally moving. You know, sometimes when you're buying a wig, you want to buy quality. Ne? You want when you move, your wig must move. Okay, when you talk, your wig must talk back. Look at this.
You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.